Save money on payroll. Replace time cards with Snappii Punch-In-Out Timesheet App. We offer a powerful punch-in-out timesheet app to accurately track work time for employees and contractors. Users simply punch in and out on their mobile devices anywhere, add breaks and details, generate powerful time card reports, and send them to the management or accounting. All data is time-stamped and location-stamped and cannot be altered by employees and contractors. Managers and accounting have access to dashboard for further analysis. Snappii Timesheet App is used by 10,000 plus employees and managers to save money on payroll by preventing cheating, optimize use of human resources, eliminate paperwork and printing costs, save time and money on storing time cards and finding information. The app is compatible with iOS and Android devices and can run on desktops. Download and try it free at www.snappii.com. We can even customize the app for your specific needs. Contact us at support@snappii.com.